portabella mushrooms. You all have the mini ones because the portabella mushrooms actually this size here.
Yeah, they're huge.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And so I stuff these like for vegan and individuals that like vegan entrees. I just ran across this recipe by accident. I was in the kitchen playing around. I love colors and all. I just like to play around with vegetables. And so this is what I came up with. As a matter of fact, these are the ingredients for the products. Portabella mushrooms.
Okay.
And then we have, I'm a quick cook. I don't like taking all day to cook anything. So we know we have air fryers that we can use.
Yep.
This is a good brand that I like. It's from Aldi's. I know you all like Aldi's, right? Everybody in here shop at Aldi's, right?
That's right.
I'm telling you, Aldi's got some great products. And so what I do is I buy this rice. I like perfect rice. And sometimes I let it go too long.
Okay.
So I just like, if they got a quicker way of me doing it, so it be.
Okay.
So you can take this rice, which is whole grain brown rice. This is pretty good for you. It's not white, so you know they recommend brown everything.
Okay.
For health reasons. And so this is 1 pouch. This is the serving size. And when reading products, it's important to look at your labels. You'll see caloric intake. And everything according on this label is done according to weight. So the highest weight is at the top. Okay. So for this product, is for 1 cup, which is the pouch, is 210 calories, which is not bad, right?
No, that's not bad.
So recipe calls for rice, and I chose long grain brown rice, portabella mushrooms, you see here, and then I like these sprouts.
Me too, especially in my rice.
Remind you of something, right?
Uh-huh.
We go in there.
The famous Chinese rice.
We go in there, that's what I'm talking about. And then this is the bread that I use, seasoning called Maggie's. It's like it's soy sauce, and you use it in soup, sauces, salads, vegetable dishes. And it takes over the flavor for you, so you don't need no salt or anything like that. Then these are the mushrooms that you guys will be eating today. They have various kinds of mushrooms. Some are very expensive.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? What's that? A shiitake?
Yeah.
Mushroom. Have you seen them before? How do they look? How do they look to you?
What,
They're not like these, right?
No, because they're brown.
And they look like a flower, a really creative flower. But they $8.99 a pound.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We don't do that. We gonna pay like $3 for these, right?
Right.
Versus $8.99. Well, I don't know too, because sometimes they say like if you pay more for your products, they're better.
But some things are just more expensive than others anyway. So if you can still find a least expensive purchase, and then it's still with the flavor and just making a dish come alive.
I totally agree.
Yeah,
That's
this is
why
about
I
your
shop.
budget. If you can afford it at that time, you get the $8.99 a pound mushrooms.
Right.
But hey, you on a budget, you gotta make it work.
That's
You
right.
know what? For me as a chef, it depends on who wants service.
Okay.
You know, if I have like maybe 5 people who are vegan who want certain type of products, I purchase those high quality products because I like quality.
Yeah.
Over everything else, and I like my food to taste good.
Yes.
So this is good quality at an affordable price. I'm gonna buy it. But if it's good quality and it's expensive, I still may buy it. You know what I'm saying? Because I want them to come back again. I want them to be happy.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of repeat customers. And by the way, I'm Patty Ringo from Cater to You. And I thank you so much for allowing me to be here today. I've been with the markets for quite some time. I think I came in when they first started. And Liz, and every now and then I come back.
Okay. Welcome back. We're happy to have you.
I'm just glad to be here today. So we talked about our ingredients, right? So we have brown rice, we have bean sprouts, you love. We go in there, we got our mushrooms, which is the key product here. And we have our seasonings. So just simple four ingredients that you use to make it taste good. And so what I did was I just quickened it up a little bit because I know I didn't have no skillets and all that stuff. So basically put this in the microwave for 90 seconds.
Okay.
Once you put it in there, it's going to be ready.
Really? Now I've never put rice in the microwave. I always have to put it in the, on top of the stove. So
This
you
is
can microwave
microwave.
this rice.
This is microwave.
All right.
And so when you're doing this, you got to be careful because the steam from the pouch will burn you if you're not careful. So
And
once
you keep it in the pouch?
Yeah, you keep it in the pouch. You tear it
Uncle Beans,
a
right?
little bit.
Mhm.
And it
Almost
tells
like
you
the
to
Uncle
squeeze
Beans.
the product.
Keep it in the pouch.
Squeeze it.
But then when you put it in a
And
pot,
then
don't you? You put
you're
it.
gonna
You don't put it in the
tear
microwave.
this
No.
Right, right, right.
You don't make
Preparation
fun.
right there.
This one you do.
And then you're going to heat it up on high for 90 seconds.
Okay.
Put it in the microwave. Then you take it out.
I can put
In the
that Uncle Beans
microwave.
in the microwave.
And then you
But I
just
put
let
it
it
in a
sit
bowl.
for a few minutes till the steam die down a little.
In the pouch.
Okay.
And then you take your products and you're going to mix them together. Take your mushrooms. I stuffed these with the rice mixtures.
Yeah.
But I mix all three ingredients here together. I mix
Okay.
the bean sprouts, let them cook for about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
I like my stuff crunchy. I
Me
wanna
too.
taste
That because you need them. That's for the crunch.
I want to taste it. I want to taste it. I want to taste what's in the product. I don't like cooking anything over like greens, none of that. I always half cook it because I like to have them.
Oh, I see.
What about you? Same way? I don't
It's the
cook it for
birthday
5
girl.
hours
Yeah.
and let the meat boil down. Nothing. But anyway, so you mix all of these ingredients together and you'll come up with this product today. So I'm going to let you all taste it and then you tell me what you think. Okay? Any questions?
It was real simple.
So
Yeah.
you know that mushrooms are very nutritious for you. They are a fibrous product called fungi that grows in special conditions. And it's good bacteria.
Okay.
Just like that. So this is the finished product that I have here. And sometimes I cap it off with some green
With some greens?
onions.
Green.
You know where I'm going with that. So I grilled some. I also grilled some little minis. Because I like presentations here.
Oh, wow.
So I want you all to try. Let me know what you think.
What's going on over
Here you go,
Cooking
love.
demonstration. The mushrooms.
I'm
stuffed
going to give
mushrooms.
this one to the birthday girl.
Who's the birthday girl?
Right
Birthday
here.
girl. We gotta sing happy birthday to the birthday
I know.
girl.
I'm going to play happy birthday song
Oh,
for
isn't
you.
that wonderful?
Yeah.
How young are you, ma'am?
76.
What
Happy
did you
birthday.
say? Oh,
Happy birthday.
that's a
birthday.
blessing.
I know. Isn't that a
God bless.
blessing?
There you go.
Yeah, we got a little Windy City going on right now.
Thank you so much.
You guys better come and line up and get your
I just got here.
I was just
stuff.
got here,
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm the DJ.
So this don't take long to make, no more than about 10 minutes.
I got you.
Okay. It looks good.
Smells good.
A little something. I got you.
Real nice.
I got you.
yeah. We ain't gonna
Y'all
like
get, ooh, and this is good too, y'all.
Is it
Look,
good?
all the vegans.
Well, first of all, I'm eating all the rice first before I chime into my mushrooms.
Uh-huh.
But no, I love this bean sprout.
Nobody have any questions? So what does it remind you of?
fried rice.
Right.
Smells like.
Exactly.
That's what it smells like, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it's like.
Now I wasn't here when you what do you do with the mushroom? Do you usually clean the mushroom? Like you
Oh,
just
definitely.
No, but
You
I'm
have to
saying
wash
you wash
all
it.
of them.
You just wash it with
Yes.
a pan usually, or do you like put it underwater and
Just
do
put it underwater.
and then just like wipe it off and stuff?
Yeah, because they kind of gentle, so you wanna be careful when you're handling them, and then you take the gill out, which is like the little stub on the inside
Yeah.
of it,
Yeah.
and clean it real good, and go from there.
Gotcha.
Now you can add some carrots to this. I like carrots.
Oh, everybody else first.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So that's the brown mushroom, right?
Pardon me?
That's the brown mushroom.
Yes, brown, long grain brown.
No, I
And I
said
never seen the
mushroom.
seasoning. So what's in this seasoning? What's the base of it?
It's like a soy sauce.
It's like kind of like a soy.
It is a soy sauce.
Oh, that's the ingredients. Okay.
So let's see what the ingredients is. Water, salt, wheat, gluten, oh wow, wheat flour, sugar, wheat bran. Yeah, it's wheat in here. Wow, you wouldn't think that, would you? You wouldn't think it's wheat in that sauce like that, but it is.
Probably just to keep it together, maybe the consistency.
Keep it, yeah, I agree. Yeah. You should take it over here and talk this with me.
What's that?
I said, you should take it and talk this with me.
I don't know.